Welcome to yet another informative video on the topic investment, and this is your Balaji from Vanakkam, Germany. In the past 2 days, the stock market was more volatile and few of the stocks were rising and few of them were falling down, and one cannot predict exactly when the market will come to a fair value. Due to this volatility, many people would have sold the stocks and had some losses. In today's video, let me explain you how a small investor can get benefited from this kind of situation. If you're ready, come let's get started. The information shared in this video is solely based on my personal experience, and I'm not a stock market advisor or something, so kindly do your own research before starting an investment in Germany. I'm not sure how many people would have heard a word called cost average effect. This is the most important keyword a small investor or any kind of investor must keep in mind while doing the investing. Before going into more in detail, let me explain what is cost average effect. Assume you are investing in a stock or else an ETF in a regular basis, and the stock market is fluctuating like a sinusoidal wave as shown in here for an example purpose. Let's keep your investing 100 euros in a regular basis in the start of every month. Assuming that the price of a stock during the start of your investment is 100 euros, now you get one particular stock in your investment bucket. The subsequent month, the stock has risen to 150 euros, and now you get only 0.66 stock. And as the sinusoidal wave shows here, the number of stocks you purchased is invested in your bucket accordingly in the next months. After doing this regular savings plan, you will think that you did not make any kind of profit because the market was so volatile. It was rising sometimes and falling down sometimes. But you see the calculation exactly, then you will understand and realize it that you made a profit here. Actually, according to the calculation, you are accumulated 5.66 stocks, which comes to a value of 566 euros, which means you had a profit of 66 euros for the investment of 500 euros. This is exactly called as cost average effect. Let's keep another example. If you invested all your money at one point of time, and when the particular stock which you plan to purchase is at a high value, and after certain months the stock market has plunged down due to corona, for example, it had fell down. Similar case, if it happens tomorrow, the value of your stock would have been fallen down and you would have been in loss today. The most important thing you need to keep in mind in stock market investing is timing. But one cannot predict exactly when the stock market will rise and when exactly it will fall down or it comes to a fair value. So I personally would recommend people to invest in a regular basis instead of investing at one point of time, because no one can predict exactly when the market will go up or go down actually. As you could see in the last 2 days, that was more volatile. The market was rising up and down. Some people would have sold the stocks in panic and had held up some losses. If you had invested on a regular basis with help of the cost average effect, your total profit would have been average today. Let's have a short look into my portfolio, how it was performing 1 week before and how it's performing today actually. As you could see in the left side graph, in a span of 2 days, there was a loss of 288 euros, and later in the start of next week, there was a profit of 305 euros. This is exactly called a fluctuation. The market is so volatile, it keeps rising and falls down. One cannot exactly predict when the market will be rising. This is the right example which I could show to you to make you understand the scenario. The right time for me to enter into more funds so that I can average this. Either with the help of the savings plan, you can do this average effect. One important point I need to add into this. The cost average effect is more profitable only when the market is more volatile. If the market is not volatile, then this will not bring much benefit. But you can keep in mind there is always a possibility a stock can rise or fall down. And for people who are investing it in a regular basis, this cost average effect will help them the most. In scalable capital, one have an option to either invest in stocks or ETF as a regular savings plan, starting from 25 euros. Depending upon the type of plan which you choose in opening a scalable capital, the fees will be varying. I personally have opted for the Prime plan because I do intraday trading and have set up multiple savings plan in my portfolio. This Prime broker is more beneficial in my particular case. So based on your individual scenario, you can choose one of the plan. We have free broker, prime broker and flex broker. We have already made a set of videos about the scalable capital, how one can open a depot account and how one can set up a savings plan. If you haven't seen my earlier videos, kindly check it in my cards here. If you want to open a depot with scalable capital, check out the link in the comment section and also in the description. And this way you can also support our Vanakkam Germany channel at free of cost. If you want to book a one-to-one appointment with me and discuss about various investment options, how one can open a scalable capital account or open an ETF savings plan or even set up a private pension plan, you can also book an appointment. Check out the link which is given in the description and I'll be happy to assist. That's it for today. I hope all the small investors will be happy now and understood how one can get benefited from this cost average effect. So wish you all good luck with your investing and stay safe and catch you in one other interesting video. Until then, bye bye. Please don't forget to like and share this video to your friends.